Are you currently having problems with your Venmo balance not showing up and you want to be able to fix it? Well, then this video is going to be perfect for you, because in this video I'm going to show you how I myself was able to fix it quite quickly. So what you're going to do firstly is to just close your Venmo app. So you need to close your Venmo app. Don't log out from your account, by the way, just close the app, and then you're going to go into your settings app instead. So open up your settings app, and now you should be taken to a page, I guess, similar to this. So you're going to scroll down now, and then you're going to click where it says general. So click on general, and as you can see, we should now be taken to this page right here, which is perfect. So on this page, scroll down a little bit more and click on storage, as you can see. And in here, we're just going to scroll down and we're going to click on Venmo. And we're going to find Venmo app and click on it. And by the way, don't worry if you haven't yet loaded all the apps in here. It's going to probably take you a couple of seconds. So just wait and then scroll down and find the Venmo app. Now in here, you're going to click on upload app, and then once again click on upload app, as you can see. And then you're going to click on the blue button here once again, because what will happen now is that I'm just going to close this one. As you can see, it says loading on my Venmo app, and that means that I'm now automatically updating my Venmo app to the latest version. You need to make sure that you actually do so to be able to fix all the bugs that was in the previous version. So do this, go back into your Venmo app after this is done. This will not, by the way, log out of your account. This will just automatically update your app to the latest version and fix all the bugs. But if it's still, the balance is still not showing, what you're going to do after this, because then it's actually a pretty serious problem, you're going to contact the Venmo support. So contact them, go into Venmo app, click on either support or help. It might say whatever for you. So just click on either support or help, and then contact them and say that your Venmo balance is not showing and you need them to help you. So that is basically exactly how to fix this issue.